Alright guys, so we're going to use the, I know you guys love the Eureka, so we're definitely going to take out the Eureka right now. So, the Hoover's not going to be being used. It's a pain, guys, just to freaking wind it back up. It is. Is it royal pain, like, literally, it's okay, but it's a royal pain, like, literally, like, right where I sit, guys, to wind it back up. So I'm not going to use it. I'll use it, but not that often. Probably I'll use it to vacuum the laundry room, guys. I'm thinking about that for what it's worth on paper, guys. So here, we're going to use this for the hallway. And let me see. Trying to think, guys. Where else can I go with it? We'll do some of the hallway. And we'll do the front room, and we'll also do the front room again with the Dirt Devil and Dirt Reach, guys. So I think we'll work at that. So yeah, guys, I'm enjoying the nice day here. It really is not that bad. Could be worse. Maybe I might vacuum some of my mom's room, not all, but she doesn't want me to vacuum in there. I won't vacuum, but I'm gonna do a little bit, just the floor. Let me go ahead and get this thing plugged in. Give 1 second, guys. Oh Lord. There you go, guys. I got it. There you go. Got it plugged in. So we're gonna vacuum the hallway and the bedroom. I think, and that's gonna be the general idea for this, guys. And guys, this is a pretty nice vacuum. It's not bad at all. I'm hearing some banging around, guys. Let me take a look here, see what's going on. I don't know what the commotion is, but it's probably just the neighbor down below. It's alright. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna vacuum the hallway, some of the front room. This thing really does a great job. I mean, I haven't had no problems or complaints on it at all, to say the least. So, guys, if you're in the market for an upright vacuum, I do recommend the Shark. Straddle self-cleaning. The Innova is nice. And so is the Dirt Devil Endura. They make the Dirt Devil Endura, but they also make the Dirt Devil Endura Reach. You just have to probably buy it from somewhere else, like online, you know. Here we go, guys. That is odd. We got this channel on either, guys. You don't know. Guys, I typically watch the automotive channel. Unless I changed channel, I didn't realize it. Funniest moments, guys. Here you go. And this is channel. What channel is this one? Yeah, 4270 I had on. Yeah, it's exactly what I had. Here you go, guys. So, let's get back to vacuuming here, guys. Vacuum here, and that's about this. I don't really like going over by the window because it's a real pain to turn around with this thing. You guys have to mention, I don't have the long one cord either, so we're gonna get on or back out. I don't got enough cord to reach. Not even enough. So I think this cord is like a 25 foot, I think. Somewhere about there. I'm gonna do some research on it, guys, to see how long the cord is on the Eureka power sheet, guys. So I'm pretty sure it's not that long, you know. Guys, I had zero issues with it. Really, not at all. Guys, that's why I said if I vacuum with this thing on that rug, I have to do this. Move it up one, see, so that way it doesn't cause a big crowd. Otherwise, it causes a big air pocket, you know, lifts it up real good, you know. Hey guys, that's just an example of how well this thing really cleans, you know. I'll be honest with you guys, this thing's a really good vacuum. It really is. So, I mean, you won't be disappointed. If you're wanting something self-cleans, this would not be the model to get. If you're looking for a budget vacuum, guys, it's going to cost you about 80 bucks nowadays with the inflation and all that going on. So I'm going to vacuum up a little bit here with this. Hey guys, I gotta say, I think this is let me think. I believe this is let me see, what amp is the motor? You gotta look at it again. Not bad for an 8 amp at all. Not bad at all. So I'm gonna take the footrest and move it out to the side in front of them, guys. I'm gonna vacuum with the Dirt Devil under reach and clean it. You buy the Christmas tree, since that Christmas tree skirts up and all that, guys, so I can actually, get it, whatever dirt is on the floor up, you know. All right, guys, so coming up is the next video, so stay tuned.